We are in your corner, showing you if a recent Supreme Court ruling could impact your next trip to the polls.
In Ohio, you could be legally knocked off voter registration lists if you don't vote.
Our Catherine Marsh reached out to election supervisors in our area. She's breaking down for you what you need to know the next time you go to try to cast a ballot. Catherine.
Good morning, Chris and Lisa. Yes, there are currently 6 states across the country where if you don't vote in a federal election, the state will then send a mailer to your home saying that they think that you've moved away. If you don't respond to that or don't engage or vote in any election activity, you can then be booted off the election polls. Now, what the Supreme Court ruling does allow is for other states to follow in those footsteps. So what does this mean for you as a voter? We spoke to Lee, Collier, and Charlotte County election supervisors yesterday, and they broke it down for us. So Tommy Doyle with the Lee County says in the state of Florida, there's no requirement to vote once you are registered. Only when their office receives mail that is returned undeliverable will you have 30 days to respond to a final notice. No response after 30 days can change your voter status to inactive. If you become inactive, Doyle says to contact the office to update your record or appear at the polls to vote. He says if you don't contact the office within 2 general elections, you will be removed from the polls. Now, in the next half hour, I'll have the response from Collier County to this Supreme Court ruling. I'm still awaiting response from Charlotte County, but of course, we will update you with that information when it becomes available. Reporting live in Lee County, Catherine Marsh, Fox 4, in your corner.